Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority and overall chairperson of the 2010 Metro Manila Film Festival, Secretary Francis N. Tolentino.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Una po, nais kong pasalamatan ang lahat ng tumulong para maisaayos po ang ating 36th Metro Manila Film Festival, ang bumubuo po ng Executive Committee, ang Board of Jurors, lahat po ng producers, lahat po ng mga artista, mga crew members at lahat po na nagpakahirap. Siguro po, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. 5 independent films were featured as a pre-festival offering to provide good avenue to creative artworks which have not been shown commercially here. We hope to raise public awareness, interest, and appreciation for the indies. Yung isa po nating indie film entry, Nasaan Si Hefte, was just selected to join an Italian International Film Festival. Finally, we eliminated